How to fix the issue where your HP laptop keeps shutting down automatically. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the start menu and then search for power and sleep settings. And from here you can click on additional power settings on the right side here. Or you can search for it directly in the menu or the start menu by typing power options, or just type power and it should appear at the bottom here. The green one, you can click on edit power plan or choose one and it should open up the same window. Now go to the current selected plan, or you can click on choose when to turn off the display and change the computer sleeps. You can click on one of those and make sure to put the computer to sleep to never, and then go back and click on the other one and do the same. Or you can select the current plan that you have active and change plan settings and set it from here for specific plans. And once you do that, make sure to click on the save changes. Next, you will need to click on choose what the power button do from the left side here, and click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and make sure to uncheck the turn on fast startup, which says recommended here. Uncheck it and then click on save changes. And the last thing you'll need to do is close out of this window and open up the CMD or terminal as admin and run the following command, which is sfc space / scan now and press enter. And this should take a while to verify and repair your system files. And once it's done, you simply need to restart your computer by clicking on the restart button, and this should fix the shutting down issue. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.